Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. I've been watching you one evening with those teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was there, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner from the moment I walk in. Saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget the way it might be. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me. Any times like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last place you're leaving, and the last chance to go? Get to think that I was born too soon. When your love don't come, it wasn't there when you left me. Just didn't know how to begin. Oh, lay your troubles on my shoulders, let your worries in my pocket, let your love on me. Troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me.